Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply log into your Bank of America account. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open up your web browser of your preference and simply type in the Bank of America's URL www.bankofamerica.com. Once you do so, just click the search button and you will be redirected to its page. So now all you need to do is click on the login option on the top right of the corner and simply type in your user ID which you had used to create your Bank of America account. Now enter your password. After you enter your password and you're done filling up both your credentials, you are all logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.